In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Wrike. We'll walk through the process from inside Wrike, so go ahead and open your Wrike workspace in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to manage integrations. If you're not sure whether you have those rights, you may want to check with your workspace administrator first, because some organizations restrict who can add new apps. Once you're in your Wrike workspace, look toward the upper left area of the screen for your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials or a profile image. Click that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu where you can access your personal settings and various workspace tools. From that drop-down, find and click the option labeled Apps and Integrations. This is the central place in Wrike where you can discover, manage, and configure connections with other tools. It may take a moment to load, especially if your organization uses a lot of integrations, so just give it a second if the page seems to pause. When the Apps and Integrations page opens, you'll see a gallery of different services that Wrike can connect with. There may be a recommended section, a search field, or categories. Look through the list and locate Slack. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the integrations gallery and type Slack to bring it up quickly. Once you see the Slack integration tile, click on it. This will open a detailed view with an overview of what the integration can do, such as sending Wrike notifications into Slack channels or allowing you to create Wrike tasks directly from Slack messages. Take a moment to read this description if you'd like to understand the benefits before you turn it on. On this Slack integration page, look for the button that says Enable and click it. After you do this, Wrike will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be redirected to Slack's authorization page. There, you'll need to choose the correct Slack workspace if you're a member of more than one, and then review the permissions Wrike is requesting. Carefully check that you're connecting to the right Slack workspace, and then approve or allow the integration. Once you confirm, you'll be taken back to Wrike, where the Slack integration should now show as enabled. From here, you can usually fine-tune settings such as which channels receive notifications or how Wrike items are created from Slack. That's all you need to do to integrate Slack with Wrike.